If I tell you that you're wasting your time
Wasting?
studying English for 2 hours when 15 minutes works better,
Better? How?
because you don't know how to do it right. But today, I'm going to teach you. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Just English Podcast, where conversations change the way you learn. I'm Zoe.
Hi, Zoe. Hello to everyone listening. I'm Alex. You look excited today.
I am excited, Alex. I discovered something that changed my life.
Changed your life? Tell me what happened.
I realized you don't need massive blocks of time to get fluent.
You don't? What do you need then?
Just 15 minutes every single day.
15 minutes that's not much.
Exactly. It's small, but it's powerful.
I want to understand how this works.
But first, a quick favor for us.
What kind of favor?
Like this episode if it helps you. Subscribe to stay connected.
And share it with someone who needs this.
Your support means everything to us.
Okay, so let's get into it.
Today we're sharing 7 strategies.
I'm listening.
5 core strategies, plus 2 special bonus strategies.
Let's go.
Strategy number 1. Narrate your environment.
Narrate? What does that mean?
Tell a story about what's around you. Say it out loud in English.
A story? Like a book?
No, not like a book. Just talk about what you see, what you hear, what you're doing.
Like if I'm making lunch?
Perfect example. You could say, I'm opening the refrigerator now. The light turned on. I see chicken and vegetables inside. I'm taking out the chicken. It feels cold.
Oh, I'm making English sentences about real life.
Exactly. You're creating narration.
Why is this useful?
Because your brain learns English through real situations, not through textbooks, through life.
So my actual activities become lessons?
Your daily routine is your classroom.
How many minutes should I do this?
Start with 2 minutes. Tomorrow morning, pick one activity. Describe it completely. Strategy number 2. Practice with a reflection.
A reflection.
Your reflection in the mirror.
I have to look at myself while speaking?
Yes, you stand in front of a mirror and speak.
That sounds awkward.
It might feel awkward, but there's a reason for it.
What's the reason?
You get to see yourself communicate. Your facial expressions, your mouth movements, your body language.
And this helps how?
Many people are afraid when they speak English. They think everyone is judging them.
That's true for me.
But when you practice in the mirror, you get used to seeing yourself speak. After a while, it stops feeling strange. And if it doesn't feel strange to you, it won't feel strange when others listen.
So I'm building comfort with myself speaking.
You're normalizing your own voice.
What should I say to my reflection?
Anything. Introduce yourself, talk about your day, share your feelings, ask yourself questions.
Like, hello, my name is Alex. Today was interesting. I learned something new.
Exactly like that.
How long should I stand there?
2 minutes is enough. Look into your own eyes. Speak with intention. Strategy number 3. Repeat and absorb.
Repeat and absorb? What does that mean?
Find English content you enjoy. A podcast, a video, a song. Listen to a sentence. Repeat it back immediately.
Repeat it? Like copy the words?
More than just copy the words. Copy the rhythm. Copy the emotion. Copy how they breathe between phrases.
So I'm mimicking?
You're mirroring the speaker. You hear, the weather is beautiful today. You immediately say it back with the same tone and speed.
Why would that help me?
Your mouth learns the muscle patterns. Your ear learns the authentic sounds. Your brain learns the natural flow of English.
I'm not translating in my head. I'm just copying?
You're absorbing English the way a child does, without thinking about grammar.
Can I do this with any content?
Podcasts, movies, TED Talks, music, Anything where people are speaking naturally.
How much time?
3 minutes. Focus on short sections. Quality over quantity. Strategy number 4. Paint a picture with words.
Paint a picture?
You observe everything around you right now. Then you describe it in English. Colors, textures, movement, emotions.
Give me an example.
Let's say you're sitting in a cafe. You could say, "The cafe is warm today. The walls are a soft cream color. People are sitting at tables. A woman is reading a newspaper. The coffee smells rich and dark. Jazz music is playing in the background. I feel calm here."
So I'm not just listing things. I'm creating a complete picture.
You're using English to create scenes, to tell little stories.
Where can I do this?
Anywhere. Your bedroom, a park, a restaurant, a train. Every location gives you new material.
And I don't need any special equipment?
Nothing. Just your eyes and your voice.
How many minutes?
3 minutes. Go deep with details. Don't rush. Strategy number 5. The structured session.
Structured?
This is where you put everything together. You set a timer. For 15 minutes, you commit only to English.
No distractions?
No distractions, no phone notifications, no checking messages, no multitasking.
What do I actually do during these 15 minutes?
You combine the strategies. 2 minutes narrating your environment, 2 minutes with your reflection, 3 minutes repeating and absorbing, 3 minutes painting pictures, 5 minutes for whichever strategy you need most that day.
Should I do this at the same time every day?
Same time is crucial.
Why?
Your brain loves patterns. Your body loves routines. When you practice at the same time in the same place, your brain prepares itself. It becomes automatic.
So it stops being hard to start?
After a few weeks, it's like brushing your teeth. You don't think about it. You just do it.
What if I'm tired or busy?
That's when you need discipline.
Discipline?
Discipline is not about motivation. Motivation disappears. Discipline is the decision to do it anyway.
Even when I don't feel like it?
Especially when you don't feel like it. That's when discipline matters.
Will it eventually become easier?
After 2 weeks, it becomes a rhythm. After a month, you crave it. After 3 months, you can't imagine your day without it. Bonus strategy number 1. Listen back.
Listen back?
Record yourself speaking. Not to judge yourself, to learn from yourself.
I have to hear my own voice?
Yes, and it might feel strange at first.
But why would I do this?
Your ear hears things differently when you listen back. You catch mistakes you didn't notice while speaking. You hear your accent, your speed, your rhythm.
So it's like getting feedback from someone else.
Exactly. Except the person is you, and you're your own best teacher.
What do I do with the information?
Next time you speak, you remember what you heard. You adjust. You improve.
And I can keep old recordings to hear my progress.
Compare recordings from week 1 to week 4. You'll be amazed.
How long should I record?
2 minutes is perfect. Long enough to capture real speech. Short enough to listen without getting bored. Bonus strategy number 2. Tell your story.
Tell my story?
Think about something that happened to you. Anything. And tell the story in English.
Any story?
A trip you took. A meal you had. A conversation you remember. A mistake you made. A success you're proud of.
Like, yesterday I went to the supermarket. I couldn't find the item I wanted. I asked a worker for help. She was very kind. We had a conversation.
Perfect example.
What's special about telling stories?
Stories are how humans learn. Our brains remember narratives better than facts. When you tell a story, you use grammar naturally. You use past tense without thinking about rules.
I'm not studying grammar. I'm just telling something real.
Exactly. And your brain absorbs the grammar through the story.
How long?
3 to 5 minutes. Let the story flow naturally. Don't worry about being perfect.
Zoe, before we finish, can I speak to everyone listening?
Please do.
If you're listening to this episode, you're already different from most people.
How are they different?
Most people complain they don't have time, but they're here, they're listening, they care.
And that matters.
Because 15 minutes is not really about time, it's about priority.
You're making English a priority.
And when you make something a priority, it changes.
Your brain wakes up, your habits shift, your results multiply.
So start tomorrow. Pick one strategy, just one. Set your timer, commit to 15 minutes.
And then come back the next day, and the day after that.
In 30 days, you won't recognize your own progress.
We promise you.
Believe in yourself, because we believe in you.
Let's do a quick review of everything.
I'm listening.
Today we covered fluent English in 15 minutes daily.
With 7 different strategies.
Strategy 1. Narrate your environment. Strategy 2. Practice with a reflection. Strategy 3. Repeat and absorb. Strategy 4. Paint a picture with words. Strategy 5. The structured session.
Bonus 1. Listen back to yourself. Bonus 2. Tell your story.
7 strategies that fit into 15 minutes.
At the same time every day.
Building a habit through consistency.
That transforms your English.
You've got this. Now, let's talk about starting, because understanding is different from doing.
What do you mean?
You can listen to this episode. You can like it. You can share it. But if you don't start, nothing changes.
That's true.
So let's make it simple. I'm going to tell you exactly how to begin tomorrow.
Please do.
Step 1. Pick your time. What time will you do your 15 minutes?
Anytime?
Any time that works for you. But it has to be the same time every day.
Even weekends?
Especially weekends. Consistency is everything.
What time do you choose?
Morning is powerful. Your brain is fresh. Your energy is high.
Like 7 a.m.?
Perfect example. Or 6:30. Or 8 a.m. Whatever works for your life.
But always the same time.
Always the same time. Your brain will start preparing without you even thinking about it.
Like how your body knows dinner time?
Exactly like that. Step 2. Pick your place. Where will you practice?
Does location matter?
It does. Your brain remembers places.
So where should I go?
Somewhere quiet. Somewhere comfortable. Somewhere you can speak without feeling watched.
Like my bedroom, my kitchen, the park?
All of those work. The park is beautiful because nature calms your nervous system.
So I'm less nervous about speaking.
Your body is relaxed. Your mind is open. The words flow easier.
But I could also practice at home?
Home is perfect too. What matters is consistency, not location.
So the location doesn't matter as long as it's the same place every day.
Exactly right. Step 3. Set your expectations. What should you expect in week 1?
What will happen?
Days 1 and 2 will feel strange. You'll feel awkward. You'll question if it's working.
That doesn't sound good.
It's normal. Your brain is new to this.
What about day 3?
Day 3, it starts feeling familiar. Your brain recognizes the pattern.
And by the end of the week?
By day 7, you'll notice something. Your mouth feels stronger. Your words come out smoother.
Only 1 week and I feel different.
Not perfect, but different. Your confidence grows.
Can people hear the difference?
Maybe not, but you will feel it. And that matters most.
What about month 1?
Month 1 is magical. You'll understand movies better. You'll speak faster. You'll make fewer mistakes.
So real progress happens in 30 days.
Serious progress. Not fluency, but serious movement forward. Step 4. Build your 15-minute routine. What does this look like?
Tell me.
Minutes 1 and 2. Narrate your environment. Look around where you are. Describe everything you see.
Okay, narrate my surroundings.
Minutes 3 and 4. Practice with your reflection. Stand in front of a mirror. Have a conversation with yourself.
Talk to myself in the mirror.
Minutes 5 to 7. Repeat and absorb. Find a podcast or video. Copy what the speaker is saying.
Shadow a speaker for 3 minutes.
Minutes 8 to 10. Paint a picture. Look at something new. Describe it in rich detail.
Rich detail?
Not just what you see, how it feels, what sounds you hear, what emotions come up.
I'm using all my senses.
Exactly.
So, what about the last 5 minutes?
Minutes 11 to 15. Choose. Do you want to record your voice and listen back? Or tell a story from your day? Or repeat one strategy you loved?
The last 5 minutes are flexible?
Flexible. Some days you need more shadowing. Other days you need more speaking. Listen to yourself.
So there's no rigid structure?
There's structure for the first 10 minutes. Then you adapt. That's the beauty.
So flexibility matters too?
Always. You are not a robot.
So I need to be flexible, not perfect.
Step 5. Do not skip. This is the hardest step.
Skip? You mean quit?
Most people start strong. Day 1, 2, 3. Then day 4 comes. They feel tired. They skip.
I've done that before.
1 skip leads to 2. 2 skips lead to a week off. A week off leads to quitting.
So I can never miss?
You can miss, but have a backup plan.
What's a backup plan?
If you're traveling, do 15 minutes in your hotel room. If you're sick, do 5 minutes in bed. If you're extremely busy, do 10 minutes.
Something is better than nothing?
Always. The goal is never 0.
Even a little practice is better than giving up.
Much better.
How long until it becomes automatic?
Research says 66 days to build a habit.
66 days?
About 2 months. After 2 months, you won't need motivation. You'll just do it.
Like brushing my teeth again?
Exactly. Automatic.
And then what?
So here's your commitment. 66 days. That's all we ask.
And then?
And then your English will be unrecognizable.
Really?
Really. Not perfect, but transformed.
That's everything for today's episode.
Thank you for investing 15 minutes with us.
If this helped you, please like the video.
Subscribe to stay connected with us.
Share this with someone who's been struggling to find time for English.
And we want to hear from you.
Leave a comment and tell us, which strategy are you starting with tomorrow?
Will you narrate your day? Practice with your reflection? Record and listen back? Tell a story?
Write in English, even just a few words.
We read every single comment, and we'll encourage you.
See you in the next episode.
Keep speaking. Keep growing. Keep believing in yourself.
Your English is becoming fluent, one day at a time.